Okay peeps, what I got here is a 99 ACURA TL 3.2 liter, about 126,000 miles on it. I recently had the water pump changed out, and then I've got this weird idle problem. I'm gonna start it up and describe it to you. Full tank of gas. Water pump is working good with the temperature in the semi-cold area. Okay, I'm gonna start the car now. The idle's really high at 2. Check engine light came on, and the idle bounces. Look at this, about 1,000 to 1,700. And then if I turn on the AC, then she kind of coasts a little bit at 1,500. But when the condenser fan turns off, she tends to bounce between 1,200 to 1,500 now. Condenser fan kicks in right there, coasting at 1,500. TCS light just came on. Okay, now she's bouncing at 1,500 without the condenser fan. Wow, I'm tripping out. There, condenser fan just came on and she stabilized at 1,500, but bouncing a little bit. So there's definitely a rough idle issue. I just threw in a pint of sea foam, and I hope this problem kind of like resolves itself, but judging from this for the past maybe 10-15 minutes, it hasn't improved at all. Any help out there would be much appreciated. This is Tiger Paws and I'm out, folks.